हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं बायो फार्मासिस्ट के लिए आपके मॉडल पेपर। ठीक है, आपसे डेली जो आपको वीडियो मिला के रहेगी और ये जो वीडियो आपको सभी फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रहने वाली है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, विच ऑर्गेनेल इज नोन एज द सुसाइड बैक ऑफ द सेल? ऑप्शन है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, गोल्गी apparatus, lysosomes and ribosomes. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they generate energy ATP but are not involved in the waste disposal or cell destruction. And Golgi apparatus modify and package protein but does not have any role in the cell death. Okay, and ribosomes are the responsible for protein synthesis. So correct answer is option C, lysosome. Next question. Which of the following is used as a preservative in pharmaceutical formulations? Options A propylene glycol, option B benzyl alcohol, sodium benzoate and glycerin. Correct answer is option C, sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is commonly used as preservative. Question number 3. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Options are Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Sucheta and Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. तो सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन ए, सरोजिनी नायडू। जो सरोजिनी नायडू जो है ये भारत में 1947 में उत्तर प्रदेश की पहली महिला राज्यपाल बनी थी। ठीक है, और इंदिरा गांधी जो है भारत की पहली महिला प्रधानमंत्री थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Which of the following drug is used in the treatment of epilepsy? Options है metformin, phenytoin, omeprazole and ciprofloxacin. Option B बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, phenytoin. Phenytoin is an anti-epileptic medication that help in controlling seizure by stabilizing neuronal membrane. And metformin, this drug is used to treat type 2 diabetes. And omeprazole used to treat stomach ulcer and gastroesophageal reflux disease. And ciprofloxacin is an antibiotic used to treat bacterial infection. Next question. Question number 5th. What is the SI unit of pressure? Options है Pascal, Newton, Joule and Watt. Option A बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, Pascal. And Newton is the SI unit of force. And Joule is the unit of energy. And Watt is the unit of power. Next question. Question number 6. In which schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act is the list of the life-saving drug included? Options है Schedule H, Schedule G, Schedule P, Schedule X. Schedule H में जो है वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन वाली ड्रग्स आती है। ठीक है, Schedule X में जो है नार्कोटिक्स वाली ड्रग्स आती है और Schedule P जो है वो इसका आंसर बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, ऑप्शन सी से बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Which Indian scientist is known as the father of green revolutions in India? Options है C.V. Raman, M.S. स्वामीनाथन, होमी बाबा और विक्रम साराभाई। भारत में हरित क्रांति के जनक के रूप में किस भारतीय वैज्ञानिक को जाना जाता है? तो कौन सा ऑप्शन इसमें सही हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, M.S. स्वामीनाथन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 8. What is the main mechanism of action of sulfonamide antibiotic? Options A. Inhibition of protein synthesis. Option B. Description of cell wall. Option C. Folic acid synthesis inhibition. And option D. DNA grace inhibition. Option C बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, folic acid synthesis inhibition. Sulfonamide work by inhibiting the bacterial synthesis of folic acid, which is essential for their growth and reproduction. And inhibition of protein synthesis mechanism associated with other classes of antibiotics such as tetracycline, macrolides, not and sulfonamide. And description of cell wall is the mechanism of the beta-lactam antibiotic like penicillin, not sulfonamide. And DNA grace inhibition is relevant of the fluoroquinolone antibiotic, not the sulfonamide. Next question. Which vitamin helps in the absorption of calcium? Options are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin K. Correct answer is option C, vitamin D. And vitamin A important for the vision and immune system. Next question. Where is the National Institute of the Pharmaceutical Education and Research नाइपर लोकेटेड? ऑप्शन है मुंबई, अहमदाबाद, हैदराबाद एंड मोहाली। ऑप्शन डी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, मोहाली। नाइपर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड फॉर द फार्मास्यूटिकल एजुकेशन रिसर्च इज लोकेटेड इन द मोहाली, पंजाब। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, विच हार्मोन रेगुलेट द स्लीप वेक साइकिल? ऑप्शन है इंसुलिन, ऑप्शन बी मेलाटोनिन, ऑप्शन सी एड्रेनलिन एंड ऑप्शन डी कोर्टिसोल्स। ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, मेलाटोनिन। मेलाटोनिन is produced in the pineal gland in response to darkness and the help regulate the sleep wake cycle. And insulin hormone regulate blood sugar level but does not directly affect sleep cycles. Next question. Question number 12. Which route of drug administration provide 100% bioavailability? Options are oral, intravenous, intramuscular and subcutaneous. Correct answer is option B. Intravenous administration deliver drug directly into the bloodstream. Next question. What is the chemical name of vitamin B9? Option A niacin, option B folic acid, option C biotin and option D pyridoxine. Niacin is a vitamin B3, important for energy metabolism but not related to the folic acid. So correct answer is option B. Folic acid is synthesized from the vitamin B9. Initials for DNA synthesis and repair. And biotin is a vitamin B7, play a role in the fatty acids and glucose metabolism. And pyridoxine is a vitamin B6, initial for the amino acid metabolism. Next question. Which part of the brain control body temperature? Option A cerebrum, cerebellum, hypothalamus and medulla. Correct answer is option C. Hypothalamus regulate body temperature by controlling heat loss and production in the body. Next question. Question number 15. The full form of GATT is option A General Agreement on Trade and Traffic, option B Government Agreement of Trade and Tax, and General Associations of for Trade and Terms and Global Associations for Trade and Technology. ऑप्शन ए इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, जनरल एग्रीमेंट ऑन ट्रेड एंड ट्रैफिक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए प्रोड्रग? ऑप्शन है एनाप्रिल, एटेनोल, एमोक्सिसिलिन एंड मेटफॉर्मिन। Metformin is an active drug used in diabetic, and amoxicillin is an antibiotic and is an active in its administration form. It is not a prodrug. And atenolol is an active drug used to treat hypertension. So correct answer is option A, Anapril. Anapril is a prodrug that is converted into its active form, anaprilant, in the body to lower blood pressure. Next question. Question number 17. Who is the author of Discovery of India? डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया पुस्तक के लेखक कौन है? ऑप्शन है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू एंड सुभाष चंद्र बोस। ऑप्शन सी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, जवाहरलाल नेहरू। जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया लिखी थी। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ बाइल इन डाइजेशन? ऑप्शन है प्रोटीन डाइजेशन, फैट इमल्सिफिकेशन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट डाइजेशन एंड विटामिन अब्जॉर्प्शन। ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, फैट इमल्सिफिकेशन। Bile help in the emulsifying fat into smaller droplets, making them easier to digest by enzyme. Next question. Question number 19. The ideal pH for stomach enzyme to work is options है 7.4, 6.8, 1.5 to 3.5 and 5.5. Correct answer is option C, 1.5 to 3.5. Next question. Question number 20. Which metal is used in thermometer? Options है silver, lead, mercury, copper. ऑप्शन सी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा मैं, मरकरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच एंटीबायोटिक बिलोंग्स टू द मैक्रोलाइड क्लास? ऑप्शन है एरिथ्रोमाइसिन, अमिकासिन, अमोक्सिसिलिन एंड सिप्रोफ्लोक्सिन। ऑप्शन ए बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें। एरिथ्रोमाइसिन इज ए मैक्रोलाइड एंटीबायोटिक यूज्ड टू ट्रीट बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन and amikacin is a aminoglycoside antibiotic and amoxicillin is a penicillin class antibiotic and ciprofloxacin is a fluoroquinolone antibiotic. Next question, which vitamin helps in the blood clotting? Options are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K and vitamin B12. Option C बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, vitamin K. Next question, Heart of India is the nickname of which state? Options है उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र एंड राजस्थान. ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही है जिसमें मध्य प्रदेश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फंक्शंस ऑफ पी ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन इन द बॉडी. ऑप्शन ए डीएनए रिपेयर, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस एंड ड्रग इफ्लक्स पंप. ऑप्शन डी हार्मोन रेगुलेशन. ऑप्शन सी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, ड्रग इफ्लक्स pump. P glycoprotein act as a drug reflex pump, transporting various substances out of the cell, which can affect drug absorption and distribution. Next question. Which law control the manufacture and the sale of drug in India? Option A NDPC Act. Option B Pharmacy Act. Option C Drug and Cosmetic Act. Option D Drug Price Control Order. Correct answer is option C. Drug and Cosmetic Act regulate the manufacturing, sales and distribution of the drug. Next question. Question number 26. Who discovered bacteria? Options है Alexander Fleming. Option B Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Option B बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928. Next question. Question number 27. Which enzyme convert glucose to glucose 6-phosphate? Options है amylase, glucokinase, lipase and trypsin. Option B बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. Which hormone is responsible for milk secretion in female? Estrogen, oxytocin, testosterone and cortisol. Option B बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, oxytocin. Question number 29. What is the functions of loop of Henle in the kidney? Option A blood filtration. Option B reabsorption of water and salt. Option C hormone production. And option D glucose metabolism. Correct answer is option B reproduction of the water and salt. Next question. Question number 30. Which drug is used to treat schizophrenia? Options are diazepam, risperidone, salbutamol and omeprazole. Correct answer is option B risperidone. And diazepam is a benzodiazepine used primarily to treat anxiety, seizures and muscle spasms. And salbutamol is a bronchodilator used to treat asthma and respiratory conditions. And omeprazole is a proton pump inhibitor used to treat gastric acid related conditions. Next question. What is the SI unit of pressure? Options are joule, Pascal, Newton, bar. Correct answer is option B Pascal. And joule is the SI unit of energy. And Newton is the SI unit of force. Next question. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Options are vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin A and vitamin D. Correct answer is option C vitamin A. Next question. Question number 33. Which of the following is a Schedule H drug? इनमें कौन सी जो एक Schedule H की दवा है? ऑप्शंस पैरासीटामोल, अमोक्सिसिलिन, सिट्राजिन, लोप्रामाइड. इसका आंसर जो आप हमें कमेंट करके बताएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर इन फ़ारेनहाइट? ऑप्शंस है 96.8 एंड 100 एंड 98.6 एंड 99.5. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन सी 98.6 फ़ारेनहाइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which gland is known as the master gland? Options है adrenal, pineal and thyroid and pituitary. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन डी pituitary gland is the master gland because it regulates and controls other endocrine gland in the body. And the adrenal gland produce hormone that regulate metabolism and stress response. And pineal gland is involved in the regulating sleep pattern. And thyroid gland regulate metabolism but does not control other gland like pituitary. Next question. Question number 36. What is the use of local iodine? Options are antiseptics and contrast agent and test for starch and thyroid supplement. ऑप्शन सी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें टेस्ट फॉर स्टार्च. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द ह्यूमन बॉडी, बोन, एनिमल, कार्टिलेज एंड नेल. ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें एनिमल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम ऑफ एस्पिरिन? ऑप्शन है एसिटाइल सैलिसाइक्लिक एसिड, सैलिसाइक्लिक एसिड, एसिटिक एसिड एंड ascorbic acid. Correct answer is option A, acetyl salicylic acid. Next question. In which organ is insulin produced? Option A, liver, pancreas, kidney and spleen. Correct answer is option B, pancreas. Next question. Which of the following is a neurotransmitter? Options are insulin, dopamine, thyroxine and estrogen. Correct answer is option B, dopamine. Next question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Options are Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Pratibha Patil and Sushma Swaraj. Correct answer is option B, Indira Gandhi. Next question. Which of these is used as an antipyretic? Options are ibuprofen, omeprazole and option C है Rotadine, option D है Atorvastatin. Correct answer is option A, ibuprofen. And omeprazole is a proton pump inhibitor. Next question. BCG vaccine is given to prevent which disease? Options are typhoid, measles, tuberculosis and hepatitis. Correct answer is option C, tuberculosis. Next question. Which mineral is initial for hemoglobin formations? Options are calcium, potassium, iron and magnesium. Correct answer is option C, iron. Next question. What is the use of activated charcoal in poisoning? Option A, increase absorption. Option B, neutralize acid. Option C, absorb toxins and option D, decrease pH. Correct answer is option C, absorb toxin. Next question. Which is the longest bone in human body? Options are humerus, tibia, femur and radius. Correct answer is option C, femur. Next question. Which of the following is used in oral dehydration salt? Options are glucose, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Glucose plus NaCl and plus KCl. Next question. What is the expansion of ECG? ECG का पूरा नाम क्या है? इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम. ऑप्शन ए से बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. Next question. Which is the storage form of glucose in humans? Options are cellulose, glycogen, starch and maltose. ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, ग्लाइकोजन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.